How to share files on Slack. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Slack application. Now please note that whether you are sharing this to your channel for your different co-workers to see, or you want to send this as a direct message, is basically the same process. So today I'll be sending it on my direct message, and I'm going to go ahead to select the person's DM I would like to share these files on. Now head over to the attach or the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now you want to go over to the option that says upload from your computer and tap on it. Now go ahead and select the files that you would like to share to this person, be it pictures or videos, and after you're done you want to click on open. Now if you would like to attach a message to these files that you are sending, it's time to type in the message, and after typing, head over to the bottom of your screen and click on the send icon there. And this is exactly how to share files on Slack. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.